Hey, what's going on? Eric Felton, aka Dr.Napco, aka the security doctor, aka that guy. Hey, I'm here in Austin, Texas at the SES branch, and today the topic is FireLink. Let's go take a look at the FireLink panel. All right, so we have a few options in the FireLink panel. We have a 32-point option. We have a 255-point option. We also have options for the AT&T radio, a Verizon radio, and a Max 2 radio that allow you to have AT&T and Verizon in the same radio. All right, let's take a closer look. We have the Starlink radio. The Starlink radio has options. We have the LTE, we have the AT&T, and then we have the Max 2 option that allows you to have AT&T and Verizon on the same radio. Also, we have a PIM. Our PIM is a conventional module that has been pre-programmed out of the box, ready to go. Zone 1 has been programmed for water flow. Zone 2 is the tamper, supervisory of the tamper. Zones 3 through 7 are conventional zones. And then zone 8 is supervisory of the Starlink communicator. So, in an overview, I have a 32-point and a 255-point FireLink panel. It's addressable, conventional, and UL-approved wireless. Plus, it has a Starlink radio built into it. Applications I recommend for this particular solution: sprinkler monitoring and any job that's under 255 points. All the information will be below. Please call your local distribution. If you need further assistance, please call me, 631-793-4713. Once again, 631-793-4713. Thank you for watching.